stop playing with him.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm facebyjdevinci and I'm here with another synthetic hair review, wig review, how to slay your synthetic wig. Okay, this hair is from divatress.com. I'm gonna show you guys how I made my wig look cute like this. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, let's start. So the unit that I'm currently wearing is from divatress.com. This is the style Varuna and it's in the color Heather Gray. I know somebody's gonna ask, yes, you can flat iron this hair from 350 to 400 degrees. And yes, this is synthetic hair, but it's so cute, like, what? Look at that cut. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I slayed this wig, this synthetic wig, made the hairline look more natural, then keep watching. I'm gonna just put on the wig to show y'all what it's looking like, but this color is beautiful. It's Heather Gray from divatress.com. I prefer to just cut this lace off already because it's gonna mess up my makeup. So right now I'm actually gonna cut this lace off and I'll be right back. So I cut the lace off as close, try to see if I can focus, but as close to the hairline as I could. I know some people like to leave their lace on, but I don't. I like to cut it all the way off. I'm gonna just put it on my head now. Okay, I think this is the middle part. Let me just get it on my head first. It's actually very comfortable. It comes with 2 clips in the front and a clip in the back. This is the unit Varuna in the color Heather Gray. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. It's from NARS Ginger, and I'm going to put this in the middle of my part. Mind you, I'm not really looking at a good mirror. You bring that back as far as you want it. And you saw I kind of brought it forward. Okay, so this is what we got so far. Heather Gray. So you guys see by us doing that, the part is already that much better. It looks more enhanced. If we want to go put in some baby hairs, we can. It's not necessarily necessary, but if you want to, we can add a bit, you know. So we'll just take it, just like 10 strands, because somebody asked, how many strands of hair? I'm like, I don't know. You really want me to count that? But now I'm gonna straighten this hair. So I'm gonna turn up the heat to 350. This hair is a vibe, y'all. So we're just going to use that to bring it down. Then we're gonna go in with our scarf. But this is a nice color. It's just the texture of the hair. It's definitely synthetic. It doesn't look synthetic. It's a lot of body, you know, it's a lot of movement in the hair. So yeah, I would recommend it. It's a nice long bob. I've got a few bobs coming in. I'm so excited for this short hair. Spring is coming up. Short hair is definitely vibes. But I'm gonna just put on my scarf, okay? And now we wait. Then we're gonna go in with our Got To Be glue. So I decided that I wanted to swoop my baby hairs all to one side. Personal preference. But I decided to show you guys so y'all weren't like, she skipped a step. It didn't look like that. But yeah, I just took off my wig, my scarf, and this is the final product. This wig looks awesome. Didn't do nothing, didn't really pluck it or anything like that. You know, if you're afraid to cut your hair, or if you feel like, oh, my face is too round, I can't cut my hair, this might be the perfect bob for you because it's a long bob. And you know, it's actually really cute. So yeah, I hope you guys like this easy slay tutorial. Let's just zoom in so you can see what's going on. I didn't pluck it, I just kept it super easy, and yeah, I just want you to know that you got this and you can do it. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to check out divatress.com. They have literally everything. Wigs, crochet hair, makeup, you know, you name it. So yeah, be sure to check out my description. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Show your friend like, girl, her bob is cute. You were saying you wanted something like that, and here it is, you've got it. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, you want to see it behind my ear? Okay. I don't slick down my edges, so okay. Okay. I got too much hair on this side. Okay. So if the wind is to blow and get you on a windy day, just tuck your hair behind your ears and you're fine, because it'll be like, oh, shh. But ain't nobody gonna know that you got these smedges, which are, I like to call bad edges smedges. This is just a nice classier word for it. But yeah, nobody's gonna know.